Hello Amazons, it's me and happy Memorial Day. I think by the time this video gets uploaded it will be Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. So in this video I'm going to show you guys some loose gemstones that I purchased and a lot of jewelry, and so I need to jump right in, otherwise this is going to have to be a two-part video. So yeah, you guys know my place caught on fire. And in this jewelry box, which was brand new, if you guys watch my videos, you saw this video, this was brand new. You can see the smoke ring around my beautiful new jewelry box. So, kind of sad, but that's where I keep my loose gemstones. So let's just jump on into it. I picked up a bunch of beautiful stones, and I hope the light isn't drowning them out. But yeah, I intend to have jewelry made out of these eventually. That was a blue lace agate and a moonstone. This one is a dendritic opal and a bloodstone. That's bloodstone. This is dendritic opal. I don't know what I want to do with them yet, but we shall see. Beautiful loose gemstones, and I'm going to save the best one for last. Look at that. This one is so cool. Look at it. Nature just makes the prettiest things. And you guys can't see how it flashes, but it's so pretty. Then, you guys have seen me buy loose stones before. There's a store in New York that sells all types of gemstones, including loose ones. So, aren't those pretty? Then this really cool tiger's eye, Labradorite. These are really big stones too. I hope you guys can see, like, they're really, really big stones. But I actually kind of want them made into rings, so we shall see. Then I got this baggie of loose moonstones. All different shapes and sizes, and there's some really teeny ones in there. I got this bag of Labradorites, and one just fell out. But they came as a set. There's a bunch of them in here. Each one is different. So, I mean, I'm not going to dump them out, but there's a bunch of them in there. And actually, this one here is, like a purpley golden color. I hope you guys can see that. There you go. So yeah, there's a bunch of those in there. And last but not least, what I went in there for is I found my dream stone. And I want this beauty set. This is the stone of my dreams. And I've been saving up for it. And I want it set in gold with diamonds around it. Look at that. I want it set in yellow gold with diamonds around it. And you guys probably can't see, but there's a rainbow inside of my stone too. Somewhere. There's like a rainbow in the corner. But and it's looking more blue. This is definitely green, like Colombian emerald green. Excuse my fingerprints, but yep, this is the stone I wanted. So that's what I went in there for. So, okay, moving along. It is so hot in here, guys. Oh my god. So I ordered these hoops, and they were on sale because they are tarnished. So I took the magic bling and I cleaned one, and it turns out they're actually yellow, not rose. The rose was the tarnish, but I actually kind of like the tarnish better, so I'm probably just gonna leave them tarnished because I like the way they look. And so they've got really pretty crystals in the front. They're just super skinny hoops, and there's a set of 3: small, medium, and large. and they kind of, like, they're so thin that they kind of bend and change shapes and get all organic as you wear them. So I really like them. And so yeah, they're actually yellow gold over silver, but they've so tarnished so much that they've turned rose. But that's okay, because I actually kind of like them rose. Up next, sterling silver heart pin, which is very, very beautiful. It's a big pin. There's the back. Beautiful. Then this brooch here, it is vermeil, gold over silver. It's very old. So I thought that was beautiful. And there's the back. Then there is this brooch, which is two-tone silver. It's solid silver, and they're really big. So very, very pretty. And already I see I might have to break this video up. So you guys have seen this. I have one in the yellow. It's a genuine leaf, and these are dipped in gold and white gold. This one, the other one I have, is dipped in yellow gold. Now the chain isn't real, but the leaf itself, they just take a leaf and they dip it in gold. So I'm gonna take it off and put it on a white gold chain. It's very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Here I have a little tiny sterling silver blue topaz pendant, which is very, very tiny. Very dainty, very, very cute. It's just that sweet little something. I'm probably definitely gonna have to break this up into 2 videos, and that is okay. I probably should have taken this stuff out of the pack. Probably would have been helpful. I just crammed it all in here. So here I have a beautiful little sterling silver heart bracelet. I think everything I have to show you guys is silver. I didn't buy any gold this time around. And we have a little tangle there. Yeah. It's just a pretty, really sweet little heart bracelet. Very well made. Very, very, very cute. Can't go wrong with that. I don't know, maybe we'll keep going until I run out of storage space, guys. Here's another bracelet. There's a tag. And again, this one is two-tone as well. We've just got twisted little circles. Again, very light, very, very pretty. Can't go wrong with that. These are great layering pieces, or again, if it's really hot outside, something like this isn't too irritating because it's pretty light and airy. Let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely going to break this up into a separate video, guys. And what I'll do is I'll take everything out of the little plastic baggies and we'll continue with a part 2. I don't want to make this too long. So lastly, this pretty thing in sterling silver. This is just a little CZ necklace, and it's ombre. The camera will focus. Look at that. So it goes from white to a really pretty chocolate. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. So, so pretty. And so yeah, it's like an 18-inch necklace. So okay, Glamazons, I'm going to pause this right here and I'll open up everything else and we'll continue with part 2. Talk to you later. Bye.